This is a 2012, I think, Nissan Leaf, and I am changing the transmission fluid and also changing the transmission fluid filter. Just going to show you this. This right here, actually let's start here. This is the filter that you bought at the Nissan dealer, wherever you got it from. This is the old one. This is the new one. So that's that. So we're going to swap that out. And also I was going to show you this. This right here is the oil pickup, or the fluid pickup. And this is pretty much a mesh screen. This is upside down, so this would be facing like that in the car. And I'm going to clean that out, because you can see that's kind of nasty. And we're going to clean that out with some brake clean and then put it back together. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to get a magnet and see if we pick up anything on it. Got a magnet here, and just kind of push that on there real fast. I got a little shiny in there. Anyway, we're going to clean that out. Wanted you to see this too. Several things. These are magnets, and they have collected a lot of metal. And if you look here, that's all metal. That's shiny. You can kind of see it there. That's all sparkly, but that shouldn't be there. But anyway, we'll clean it out. We'll see what it'll do. But that's probably, I'm guessing, maybe the clutch is breaking down inside the transmission, or however the CVT works. But anyway, I'm gonna clean it out, put it back together, and put fluid back in it. We'll see what it does.